Ever had your power drill die right in the middle of a project? Or watched your electric mixer quit during baking? Most of us panic when our gadgets fail, but there's a community that just keeps working. The Amish have been using the same tools for centuries, and they still outperform our modern equipment in ways that will surprise you. 10 incredible tools that need no electricity, perfected over generations, proving sometimes the old way works like magic. Tool 1, Manual Grain Mill. Step into any Amish kitchen and you'll find a cast iron grain mill that turns whole wheat into fresh flour with just the turn of a hand crank. These mills grind at low speeds, preserving nutrients that high-speed electric mills destroy through heat. The adjustable plates let you control texture from coarse meal to fine flour. What makes this magical? Fresh ground flour has superior flavor and nutrition, and the mill works anywhere without power. Amish families grind exactly what they need when they need it, ensuring maximum freshness. The cast iron construction ensures decades of reliable service, while the hand crank provides the perfect speed for optimal grinding. Tool 2, Butter Churn. Making butter might seem like an all-day task, but an Amish butter churn can transform cream into fresh butter in just 5 minutes of rhythmic churning. The wooden barrel design with its plunger handle creates the perfect agitation to separate butterfat from buttermilk. The magic happens through simple physics. Consistent movement breaks the fat globules until they clump together. Modern Amish churns are often made with stainless steel paddles for easier cleaning while maintaining the traditional effectiveness. The rhythm of churning becomes almost meditative, and experienced users develop a steady pace that maximizes efficiency. Unlike store-bought butter filled with preservatives and artificial flavors, churned butter contains only cream and salt. The result is rich, creamy butter with incredible flavor that beats anything available commercially. The churn requires no electricity, works in any weather, and produces both butter and buttermilk for cooking. Tool 3, Kerosene Heater. These portable heating units provide reliable warmth without any electrical connection, proving that simple technology often works better than complex systems. Quality kerosene heaters burn cleanly and efficiently, heating entire rooms while using readily available fuel that stores indefinitely. Modern safety features include automatic shutoffs and tip-over protection that eliminate concerns when properly maintained. The magic lies in their complete simplicity. No complex electrical components to fail, just a wick, fuel, and controlled combustion that provides steady heat for hours. Unlike electric heaters that consume expensive electricity and fail during outages, kerosene heaters work anywhere, anytime. The radiant heat they produce feels more comfortable than forced air systems, creating cozy living spaces even in the coldest weather. Fuel consumption is remarkably efficient, with 1 gallon providing heat for an entire day in most conditions. Maintenance involves simple wick trimming and occasional cleaning, tasks anyone can master. The heaters are completely portable, allowing heat exactly where needed rather than heating entire homes. For emergency preparedness, they're invaluable backup heating sources that many Amish families use as primary heat sources. Tool 4, Wood-Burning Cook Stove. This isn't just a stove, it's a complete kitchen system that puts modern appliances to shame. Wood-burning cook stoves provide cooking surfaces, an oven, water heating, and home heating, all from one unit powered by renewable wood fuel. Experienced Amish cooks control temperature by adjusting airflow through dampers and strategic wood placement, achieving precise heat control that rivals the most expensive modern ranges. The thermal mass of cast iron retains heat for hours after the fire dies down, making it incredibly fuel-efficient and perfect for slow cooking and bread baking. The firebox design maximizes combustion efficiency, while the multiple cooking surfaces allow preparation of entire meals simultaneously. Many models include built-in water reservoirs that provide constant hot water availability. The deep, even heat creates superior baking results, producing bread with perfect crusts and evenly cooked interiors. Unlike electric or gas stoves that fail during power outages, wood stoves work independently and actually improve indoor air quality when properly maintained. The fuel is renewable, often free from the homeowner's own land, and the stove doubles as an efficient home heating system during cold months. Tool 5. Mortise and Tenon Chisels. These specialized chisels create the strongest wood joints known to furniture making, producing connections that become stronger over time as wood movement tightens the fit. Mortise chisels feature thick, square blades designed to withstand repeated mallet impacts while cutting clean, precise rectangular holes. The thick steel construction prevents blade deflection, ensuring perfectly straight mortise walls essential for tight joints. Tenon chisels have beveled edges optimized for cutting the matching male portions of joints with surgical precision. The magic happens in the marriage of steel and technique, and properly executed mortise and tenon joints are actually stronger than the surrounding wood and can last centuries without glue, screws, or brackets. Amish furniture makers use these to create heirloom pieces that improve with age as the wood seasons and tightens. The precision required develops exceptional hand-eye coordination and intimate knowledge of wood behavior. Each cut must be perfect since there's no hiding mistakes with filler or brackets. Modern furniture relies on mechanical fasteners that loosen over time, but traditional joinery creates connections that strengthen as wood moves with humidity changes. The chisels themselves improve with use as the steel develops the perfect edge geometry. Master craftsmen can cut joints so precisely they assemble with hand pressure alone, creating furniture that remains solid for generations. Tool 6. Manual water pump. Hand-operated water pumps use simple lever mechanics to draw water from wells up to 25 feet deep, providing reliable water access that never depends on electrical power. The pumping action creates suction that lifts water through the pipe system using basic physics principles that have worked flawlessly for centuries. Quality pumps feature leather or rubber seals that create airtight chambers for maximum efficiency, while corrosion-resistant materials ensure decades of faithful service. What makes these truly magical is their absolute reliability. No electrical components to fail, no complex repairs needed, and they work in any weather condition, including ice storms and power outages. Many can pump several gallons per minute with steady operation, providing ample water for household needs, livestock, and gardens. Installation is straightforward, requiring only proper well casing and pump mounting. Maintenance involves occasional seal replacement and basic lubrication, tasks that any homeowner can handle. The exercise of pumping provides beneficial physical activity while connecting users to their water source in ways that automatic systems cannot match. For emergency preparedness, they're essential backup water sources. The pumps work silently, never disturb neighbors, and provide the satisfaction of accessing life's most essential resource through your own effort and a perfectly engineered mechanical system. Tool 7. Crosscut Saw. Hand saws cut with both push and pull strokes, removing waste wood in both directions for incredibly efficient cutting that puts power saws to shame. The alternately set teeth create a kerf slightly wider than the blade thickness, preventing binding while efficiently removing sawdust from the cut. Different tooth configurations handle various cutting tasks. Crosscut teeth slice across wood grain, while rip teeth tear along grain direction, each optimized for maximum efficiency. The magic lies in complete control over cutting speed, pressure, and direction, allowing experienced users to achieve perfectly straight cuts and precise angles that power saws often struggle to match. The saw provides instant feedback through your hands, letting you feel when the blade encounters knots, changes in wood density, or begins to drift offline. This direct connection allows immediate corrections impossible with power tools. Quality saws maintain their edge for years with proper care and can be resharpened indefinitely by skilled users. They work silently, create no dust clouds, and require no safety equipment beyond common sense. The cutting action is smooth and meditative, connecting the user directly to the work in ways that screaming power tools cannot match. Emergency situations find hand saws invaluable since they work without fuel or electricity while providing precise control for critical cuts. Tool 8. Spoke Shave. This precision tool shapes and smooths curved surfaces with unmatched control, allowing craftsmen to create perfectly smooth curves that would challenge even the most advanced power tools. The blade sits securely between two handles, providing exact control over cutting depth and blade angle through minute hand movements. Various blade curves handle different radius work, from tight chair spindles requiring sharp curves to gentle furniture edges needing subtle shaping. The magic lies in the incredible precision possible. Skilled users can remove paper-thin shavings to create surfaces so smooth they require no sanding whatsoever. The direct connection between hands and cutting edge provides instant feedback about wood grain direction, density changes, and optimal cutting angles. This allows real-time adjustments that produce superior results compared to power tools that operate too fast for such nuanced control. Traditional spoke shaves improve with use as the steel develops the perfect edge geometry and the wooden body conforms to the user's grip. The tool excels at creating consistent curves and smooth transitions that would require extensive sanding if attempted with power tools. Amish furniture makers use spoke shaves to create the graceful curves that distinguish handmade furniture from machine-made pieces. The quiet operation allows complete focus on the work, while the slow pace ensures mistakes are caught before they become problems. Tool 9. Scythe. A properly sharpened scythe can cut grass and grain faster than most people can walk, making it one of the most efficient tools ever designed for land management. The curved blade and long handle create a natural swinging motion that works with your body rather than against it, allowing experienced users to maintain steady cutting rhythm for hours without fatigue. The magic lies in the physics. The blade's curve follows the natural arc of arm movement, while the weight distribution provides momentum that assists each stroke. Unlike lawn mowers that crush grass with spinning blades, scythes slice cleanly, leaving healthier stubble that recovers quickly. Regular peening maintains the razor-sharp edge needed for effortless cutting, a skill that becomes meditative with practice. The tool works silently, disturbing no neighbors and frightening no wildlife, while requiring no fuel, oil, or electricity. Environmental benefits include zero emissions and the ability to selectively cut around flowers, small trees, and wildlife habitats. Scythes handle wet grass that clogs mowers and work on slopes too steep for machines. The rhythmic motion provides excellent exercise, while the quiet operation allows awareness of surroundings impossible with power equipment. Properly maintained, a quality scythe can last multiple generations while improving with use. Tool 10. Manual hand drill. The classic hand drill uses a precisely engineered gear mechanism to spin drill bits at controlled speeds while providing excellent torque for boring clean holes in even the hardest woods. The gear ratio multiplies turning force while maintaining manageable rotational speed, preventing the aggressive cutting action that burns wood fibers or breaks bits. This controlled approach creates holes with smooth walls and precise dimensions that high-speed power drills often cannot achieve. The magic lies in the direct feel. Operators can sense exactly when the bit is cutting properly, when it encounters knots or grain changes, and when to adjust pressure to prevent binding or breakage. This instant feedback prevents the common power drill problems of wandering bits, torn entry holes, and splintered exit points. Different bit types handle various materials and hole sizes with remarkable precision, from tiny pilot holes to large clearance holes for bolts. The drill works at any angle, including overhead positions where power drills become awkward and tiring. Maintenance involves only occasional gear lubrication and bit sharpening, tasks that extend tool life indefinitely. The quiet operation disturbs no one while the mechanical advantage makes drilling effort minimal even in hardwood. Emergency situations find hand drills invaluable since they work without power while providing the precision needed for critical repairs or construction tasks. The tool's comparison. When we compare these ancient tools to their modern counterparts, the results are eye-opening. Modern power tools promise speed and convenience, but deliver dependency and frustration. They break during critical moments, require expensive repairs, consume costly energy, and often produce inferior results due to their aggressive, high-speed operation. The average power drill lasts 3 to 5 years before requiring replacement, while a quality hand drill can function perfectly for decades with minimal maintenance. Consider the hidden costs of modern tools. Electric grain mills destroy nutrients through excessive heat and require constant electricity. Power saws create dangerous kickback, produce choking dust clouds, and demand expensive safety equipment. Gas-powered lawn equipment pollutes the air, disturbs neighbors with noise, and requires costly fuel, oil, and maintenance. These tools fail exactly when you need them most, during storms, power outages, or in remote locations. Ancient tools work differently. They improve with use, develop character through aging, and connect users directly to their work through tactile feedback. Impossible with power tools. A well-maintained scythe cuts grass more efficiently than most mowers while providing beneficial exercise and meditation. Hand-ground flour produces superior bread that store-bought flour cannot match. Manual butter churns create pure, additive-free dairy products while building upper body strength.